Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to fix download failed on eFootball. This error occurs when it is stuck or try to download the game. So if you are on Android, this tutorial will be for you. So let's go ahead and begin. Go ahead and exit out of the app and go to your settings. On your settings, go ahead and scroll down until you see the section that says apps. Go ahead and click on it. To click on apps, they will have a lot of apps in there. So go ahead and just search up eFootball. Once you go ahead and search it up, go ahead and click on eFootball right here. Once you click on eFootball, go ahead and scroll down until you see the section that says storage. And on storage, go ahead and scroll down until you see clear cache. Go ahead and click on clear cache and try to restart your phone and go ahead and launch the game and try downloading it again. If that does not work, go ahead and try to uninstall and install the game and restart your phone. That most likely will fix the problem. That will be all for today. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching.